Suspended Bamban Mayor Alice Go is now being suspected of money laundering after billions of pesos were reportedly deposited into her bank accounts, which are now frozen along with other high-value assets. Men Los Baños with the report.
A freeze order has been issued against the bank accounts and assets of suspended Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Go. This includes 36 personal bank accounts, a dozen real properties, and vehicles, as well as the infamous helicopter. The freeze order also covers the assets of Baofu Land and the Go's family's other businesses. All in all, there are 90 bank accounts across 14 financial institutions that are under the freeze order. Senator Win Gatchalian now thinks there could be money laundering involved, especially with the billions of pesos that were deposited into these accounts, according to AMLAC. Most of these transactions happened from 2019 to 2022, the same period that the Pogo Hub in Bamban Tarlac was built. A big chunk of the deposits also allegedly came from China.
Binigay nila sa amin yung amounts. At malaking amounts talaga. We're talking about billions. In a span of 3 years, billions yung pumasok sa accounts ni Alice Go. Pero if you look at their corporations, both the income statements and the statement of cash flow, walang billions. Puro hundreds of thousands lang.
Gatchalian said they will ask the Anti-Money Laundering Council in the next hearing to explain how this amount of money was able to be transferred undetected. The banks involved will also likely be questioned.
Baka yung mga bangko, lalo na yung mga branches, mayroon ring kontsaba na nangyari. At bakit ngayon lang lumabas to? If you look at the timeline, 2019 pa, na malaki yung transaction. Iba, tinitignan ko yung transaction niya. In a span of 3 years, almost billions yung pumasok sa sa account niya. Bakit hindi na-report ng bangko? So ang suspetsa ko dito, meron rin pagkukulang yung bangko.
Go's family meanwhile is dismayed over the AMLAC releasing records of the mayor's assets.
Kasi ang AMLA report, covered yan ng data privacy. Yung mga breach niyan, pwedeng masubject sa criminal at civil sanctions ng mga gumagawa niyan. Well, of course, mayroong mga exemptions dyan, pero kailangan yung mga sensitive data, hindi sa publiko.
Go's lawyer also said releasing such information could have a negative impact on investments.
Mga AMLA report, ano ba interest ng public? Ang ginagawa ng ganyan, dinidiscourage mo yung mga investors na maglagay sa bangko at mag-invest. Kaya babagsakan ang ekonomiya natin.
But for Gatchalian,
on the contrary, kaya hindi tayo maalis-alis sa gray list because of money laundering and Pogo.
the Senate will continue its hearing on Pogos, and all eyes are on the arrest warrant that could be issued soon against Go and the others accused. For News 5, Mean Los Baños, we are One News.